Today we're gonna talk about my dog Oreo. So she is a Havapoo from Cuba, and she loves to play with the toys. Yes, you do. She loves to play with the toys, and she will go at and use the potty. Come on, let's go. So I'm gonna play a little bit with her. Oreo, come on. No. So she's waiting at the door, but I'm gonna go outside. Bye, Or. She's coming after me. Yeah, the door. She's coming after me. Oreo. So yeah. Yeah, her favorite toys are like, she loves to play with me, and hello, look at the camera, yay! So, so nice. Yes, she is. So nice. Hey, guess what? She's afraid of the hula hoop. Wait. And she's afraid of the hula hoop. See? So, that's why. Yes, that's why. I need to get in the shade first. So I'm gonna play with her more. Oreo, get her here. Okay, please go through here for the camera. Okay. So you're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Now, Oreo, come here. She beat me. Okay, let's go watch. Come on, come on. There, you're trying to cut me off. Oreo, I had to put my leg over you. Cheater! She's a little cheater! Busted! Hey, you don't get a head start. I get a start. Woo, I won! So, she's a little cheater. Let me get my trampoline. It's like, so here's the Oreo up in the sky. Okay. There she is, running over there. So, her favorite toys are every single one of these. Every one of these. Even the bushes. And the rocks. And the things in the ground. Okay, so, she loves to go outside and use the potty. So, let's get off my trampoline. Wait just a second. Let's go on my trampoline. Oreo, you want to play a little bit? Oreo, come on. Oreo, you have to play. Get your exercise. This is my dirty swing set. Oreo! My dirty swim socks. So nasty. Okay. Oreo. Well, put it in the oven side now. Oreo, come here. You're in trouble. Big trouble. You're in big trouble. Okay, let's go in. And she likes to run in the house. Oops.